What is up, guys? For today's episode, me and my boy Tyler, we're going to be covering 15 bodyweight upper body exercises for you guys to do. Alright, so again, remember this isn't going to require any additional equipment, just yourself and your body weight. Alright, so for the first one we're going to be doing, we will be doing some plank up down. Alright, so what we're going to do, we'll be in a plank position like so, and we're just going to be simply coming all the way up, and coming down, and all the way up. Alright, and again, if you guys want to modify it, so you can always go on your knees right here, same exact thing, coming up and coming down. Alright, that's going to be our first one. For our second one, we're going to be doing some wide grip push-ups. Alright guys, so check it out. On this one, we're going to be making sure that our elbows are out nice and wide. Alright, so what we're going to do, coming down in our push-up position just like so, all the way spread out nice and wide, coming all the way down to the bottom, all the way up. So again, this one is going to be isolating on our chest, making sure we're getting a good nice stretch all the way down to the bottom, all the way up. And again, if you want to make it easier, go on your knees, modify it. Same thing applies for that for all the things. Number 3, we're going to be doing some tricep push-ups. So for this one, we're going to be keeping our elbows glued in, nice and tight, nice little T-Rex arms. So what we're going to do, coming all the way down, making sure all that focus and tension is on our triceps, elbows tucked in, don't let them tuck out. All right, so keep them staying in the entire time, all the way down the bottom, all the way up. All right, that's number 3. Number 4, we're going to be doing some wide grip chest pulses. Again, guys, so we're going to be keeping those elbows out nice and wide, isolating that tension onto our chest. So what we're going to do for this one, going all the way down to the bottom, but this time we're going to stay down at the bottom and we're just going to simply pulse. All right, for our 5th one, we're going to be doing some tricep pulses. All right, guys, so check it out for this one. Again, remember, triceps, always keeping those elbows nice and tight, isolating that tension onto our triceps. So what we're going to do, again, coming down to the bottom, but this time we're just going to stay down there and pulse. All right, that will be our 5th one. Number 6, we're going to be doing some shoulder holds. All right, guys, so check it out. For this one, we are going to be simply holding out on one arm, keeping our shoulders and body level to the ground, not opening up to the side, keeping it nice and straight. Once we hear that clock, we'll do 30 seconds, one arm, 3, 2, and 1. Then we'll switch to the other. Boom, right there. Again, if you guys do need to modify it, always remember you can use your knees. All right, 7, we're going to be doing some diamond push-ups. All right, guys, so check it out for this one. Again, making that shape of a diamond with your hand, and we're just going to be simply coming down and coming up. All the way down and coming up. All right, that is number 7. For our 8th one, we're going to be doing some bear crawls. All right, so check it out. For this one, he's going to be coming down and simply crawl across the room. Give yourself a little stretch too, so you have some room to go a little bit further down and back. But if you guys want to, you can always go reverse and forwards, whatever you want to do. So that is bear crawl, crawl forward and back. Number 9, we're going to be doing some crab crawls. So check it out. All we're going to be doing, simply crawling backwards. And again, if you do want to come forwards, you can do it forwards as well. So make sure that you guys are giving yourself a little bit more room that we obviously have, so you have more room to go. All right, guys, that is number 9. Our 10th one, we're going to be doing some good old-fashioned burpees. All right, guys, so check it out. All we're going to be doing is jumping up as high as you can, coming down, doing a push-up, back up, and doing it again. And again, if you guys want to intensify it too and maybe make it a little bit more difficult, you can always do a double burpee. So maybe 2 jumps at the top and then 2 push-ups at the bottom. Or if you wanted to do triple burpees, you could do 3 jumps at the top, 3 jumps at the bottom, 4 or 5, whatever you wanted to do. Or if you wanted to get super crazy with it, you can do some single leg burpees. So what we're going to do for this one leg at a time, coming down, doing a push-up, jumping up on that same leg, jumping back up, and doing it again. Number 11, we're going to be doing some half burpees. So check it out, guys. For this one, you will be in your push-up position. All we're going to be doing is jumping up those knees forward, back out, doing a push-up. Forward, back out, doing a push-up. All right? That is number 11. 12, we're going to be doing some side-to-side crawls. So check it out, guys. For this one, we're going to be in a push-up position. All we're going to be doing is simply taking a side step to the right and a side step to the left. If you guys want to do maybe 2 to the right, 2 to the left, whatever you want, get creative. And again, if you want to intensify it, maybe do a side step to the right, then a push-up. Side step to the left, then a push-up. Our 13th one, we're going to be doing some tricep dips. So remember, guys, we're going to be making sure that our elbows are keeping in nice and tight right there. We're going to be simply sitting all the way down and all the way up. So just find somewhere where you guys can go ahead and put your hands behind your back and then just go ahead and do it. All right, that's going to be number 13. 14, we're going to be doing some T push-ups. All right, guys, so check it out. For this one, we're going to be doing a push-up, coming down, and then coming up and extending that arm, making the shape of a T. Then doing it again on the other side, push-up, same exact thing, other way. Push-up, making a T. And finally, for our last one, we're going to be doing some SPIDERMAN push-ups. All right, guys, so check it out. For this one, we're going to be doing a push-up, and while we're doing that push-up, you're going to be bringing down your knee with you. Push-up, bringing that knee down with you. Push-up, bringing that knee down with you. All right, guys, so that's all 15 body weight upper body exercises. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you guys give these a shot. Let me know what you think. So that's going to be a wrap for today's episode. Thank you guys for tuning in. So make sure we're hitting that subscribe button for your boy. And until then, make sure we're staying positive, be successful, keep dreaming big.